How to show compare price in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. Basically, what we want to do is, we have products here in our Shopify store, but we want to put them in sale and we want to show the previous cost or, the price and, before and after basically for the prices. And we want that to be visible because, this is a tactic to get people to start buying it when they see such a great sale. So how do you do so? It is actually very simple and easy to do. Yeah, and it is pretty much just built in Shopify. It makes things easier. So you want to go to the products section. Now it is going to be a little bit different if you have a product with variance, and I will get to that in a little bit. But if it's just a normal product, you can just go and click on that. And then you just want to scroll down until you see the price point here. So the pricing, you have this priced right now. And let's say we want to put it on sale. So you would want to add the compare at price. This is going to be the before, this is going to be the after. Okay. So right now it is 42. So now we would want to put it 42. And now let's add the sale. So now let's say 22. So it went from 42 to 22 pretty much. Now we can just go and click on save. And we are good to go. Now there are going to be some times where it doesn't show, and I'll show you how to fix it. So just go to online store and let's just go and preview it. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can actually see we have the before and after prices. And if we click on that, it's actually going to show us in more detail. So again, the same price before and after, and it also just shows us the sale, button here, or the style here. So this is going to be for the individual product. What if you had a product with variance? In that case, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not sure if this have a variance. Okay, no, it does not. So I'm just going to create a product with variance and show you how to add that in. So I've created this product with the variance, and if you just go in and click on any product with variance, to add the compare at price, you just want to scroll down, and then you would want to click on any variant. And then from here, you can just go in and add the compare at price. So let's just go in and do 200 for this one. And let's say we want to be the compare at price to be for all of them 200. In that case, we can just do it a lot easier instead of going one by one. Is that we can just go ahead and select all of them like so, and click on bulk edit. And once this opens up, we just want to go to the column section on the top and make sure you show the compare at price. And you basically want to add 200 for all of them, and you can just drag this down and it's going to be all 200. Click on save and you're pretty much good to go. So now all variants should have compare at price from 200 to 124. So let's just go and view it, and we can actually go ahead and see it from here. We saw that already, and it's visible here for us that it was 200 and now 124 for each variance. Now let's say it does not show for you. In that case, you just want to go to the settings tab on the bottom left, go to markets, and then once you go to markets, you just want to go to preferences, and you just want to make sure the compare at price hiding is turned off. Once that's done, we can just go and exit out of here, and we're pretty much good to go. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.